Mom, why does winter feel so different? Like something special is about to happen.
Because winter asks us to stop, breathe slowly, and listen to our hearts.
When winter comes, the world feels quiet, and I start thinking more about small things.
That is why this winter we made a special decision for our family.
A special decision? What decision, Dad?
We decided to leave our busy life and travel to a quiet place together.
In that place, snow will cover the trees. Nights will feel peaceful and time will move slowly.
And there, we may learn something important about family and togetherness. Will something special happen to us there?
Yes, Lily, something small, quiet, and magical will happen.
Good morning, everyone. When I see the snow outside, I feel calm and happy.
Good morning. The snow tells us that winter holidays have started.
Looking at the snow makes me feel relaxed and excited at the same time. Mom, does this mean I don't have school and I can stay at home?
Yes, Lily. You have holidays now, and we will spend more time together.
I also have good news, because we are going on a winter trip.
A trip sounds fun. Where are we going?
We are going to a mountain town and staying in a wooden cabin near the forest.
I like the idea of staying near the forest and enjoying quiet days.
Then let us pack our warm clothes and get ready.
I like train journeys because they feel slow and peaceful.
When I look outside the window, everything looks white and calm.
The slow movement of the train helps me relax and think quietly. I feel like we are inside a winter story.
This journey is the start of our winter holidays.
The air feels cold but fresh, and I like it very much.
This town feels different from our busy city life.
Mom, the houses look small and pretty.
Welcome to our winter place.
The cabin looks warm and safe, even in the cold weather.
The forest around it feels quiet and peaceful. Can we go inside now? My hands feel cold.
Yes, let's go inside and enjoy our winter holidays.
Mom, wake up! Look at the snow outside. It is everywhere.
Yes, Lily. The snow looks soft and white. Today will be a fun day.
I want to go outside and feel the snow on my hands.
Let's have breakfast first. Then we can go outside to play.
I cannot wait. I want to make a snowman today.
We will, Lily. But first, eat your breakfast so you have energy.
The fire makes the cabin warm. I like the smell of the wooden logs.
Hot porridge tastes even better in the cold. I want some more bread, please.
Eat slowly, dear. We have a long, fun day ahead.
After breakfast, we will put on our jackets, hats, and gloves.
I want my red jacket.
Red it is. It is bright and easy to see in the snow.
The snow is soft and cold. Look at my footprints. I want to roll a big snowball.
Be careful. The ground is slippery.
Let's make a snowman together. I will make the bottom.
I will make the middle. I will make the head. He will be friendly.
Teamwork makes everything easier and more fun.
We can put stones for eyes and a carrot for the nose.
Now he looks happy. Let's call him Mr. Frost.
Mr. Frost is our new friend.
Hello. I like your snowman. He looks very happy.
Thank you. We just arrived. We are enjoying our holidays.
I am Max, and this is my family.
I am Emma. I live in a cabin nearby. You are welcome to visit me later for hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? Yes, please. We would love to visit, Emma. Thank you.
Come later. Enjoy the snow for now.
The forest is very quiet. Only snow falls and trees move slowly.
Yes, walking slowly makes us notice small things we usually miss.
I can hear snow crunching under my shoes.
Everything looks peaceful. This is what winter feels like.
I feel like we are in a storybook.
Winter makes simple things feel magical.
Welcome. I made hot chocolate for you.
Thank you, Emma. Your cabin looks so warm.
It smells so good here.
The fire makes this room feel very cozy.
I drank hot chocolate like this when I was a child in winter.
It tastes so sweet and warm. It warms my hands and my heart.
Winter stories and hot drinks make evenings feel special.
Yes, Emma. Winter brings people together.
Winter also teaches patience and thankfulness.
I like winter because I can spend time with family and friends. I like it because it gives time to think quietly.
We will try a small winter challenge.
What kind of challenge, Dad?
We will walk to the top of a small snowy hill and build the tallest snowman.
That sounds fun. We will need teamwork to make it strong.
Yes, everyone has a role. Together, we can do anything.
I will roll the biggest snowball. I will lift it carefully.
I will fix it so it does not fall.
I will decorate it. We are all helping.
Look, our snowman is very tall and happy. We did it together. Teamwork works. Yay!
Today was a wonderful day. We laughed, worked together, and stayed warm.
Winter is not only about snow. It is about family, patience, and small happiness.
I learned that quiet moments can be special. I will always remember Mr. Frost and this fun day.
Some memories are simple, but they stay in our hearts forever.
Yes, holidays like this make family stronger.
Good night, Mom. Good night, Dad. Good night, Lily. Sleep well.
Good night, everyone. Sleep tight and dream of snow.
Tomorrow will be another fun winter day.
If you like seeing winter fun like this, sprinkle a little like on the video, cause it helps us share more happy stories with you.
If you enjoyed this story, tap subscribe to join our family adventures and click share to send some winter smiles to your friends.